Hello friends, myself Archana Mughal from KTHM College, Nasik, Department of Computer Science. Today we will discuss our second chapter, Brief Introduction to Neural Networks, Genetic Algorithms and Fuzzy Systems. In this chapter, we will see various topics like Introduction of Neural Networks, why neural networks are used, then characteristics of neural network, introduction of genetic algorithms, why genetic algorithms are used, advantages of genetic algorithms, introduction of fuzzy systems, why fuzzy logic is used, advantages of fuzzy system, and application of soft computing. Now start our first topic, that is neural networks. The inventor of the first neurocomputer, Dr. Robert H. Nielsen, defines a neural network. According to him, a neural network is a computing system made up of a number of simple, highly interconnected processing elements which process information by their dynamic state response to external input. Artificial neural network is also called as artificial neural network. Artificial neural networks are computing systems vaguely inspired by the biological neural networks that constitute animal brains. An artificial neural network is based on a collection of connected units or nodes called artificial neurons, which loosely model the neurons in a biological brain. Then we study why neural networks are used. Neural networks are especially well suited to perform pattern recognition, to identify and classify objects or signals in speech, vision and control systems. They can also be used for performing time series prediction and modeling. Here are few examples of how artificial neurons are worked. Applying the stylistic appearance of one image to the scene's content of a second image using neural style manner. And converting handwriting Japanese characters into digital text, then detecting cancer by guiding pathologists in classifying tumors as benign or malignant based on uniformity of cell size, clump thickness, mitosis and other factors. Now we see the characteristics of neural network. Any artificial neural network, irrespective of the style and logic of implementation, has a few basic characteristics. First one is an artificial neural network consists of large number of neurons like processing elements. All these processing elements have a large number of weighted connections between them. Connections between the elements provide a distributed representation of data. A learning process. There are some applications where artificial neural network is used. Speech recognition. Speech occupies a prominent role in human interaction. In the present era for communication with machines, humans still need sophisticated languages which are difficult to learn and use. To ease this communication barrier, a simple solution should be communication in a spoken language that is possible for the machine to understand. Great progress has been made in this field. However, still much kinds of systems are facing the problem of limited vocabulary or grammar, along with the issue of retaining of the system for different speakers in different conditions. Artificial neural network is playing a major role in this area. Then, character recognition. The idea of character recognition has become very important as handheld devices like the Palm Pilot are becoming increasingly popular. Neural networks can be used to recognize handwritten characters. Then, signature verification application, and then human face recognition. Human face recognition, it is one of the biometric methods. Signature verification is also biometric methods. Face recognition is also biometric methods to identify the given face. It is a typical task because of the characterization of the non-face images. However, if a neural network is well trained, then it can be divided into two classes, namely images having faces and images that do not have faces. Genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithms is a search-based optimization technique based on the ideas of natural selection and genetics, and simulate the process of natural selections and subset of evolutionary computation. Genetic algorithm is a search-based optimization technique based on the principles of genetic and natural selections. It is frequently used to find optimal or near optimal solutions to difficult problems which otherwise would take a lifetime to solve. It is frequently used to solve optimization problem in research and in machine learning. And genetic algorithms are a subset of much larger branch of computation known as evolutionary computation. Why genetic algorithms are used? First reason is they are robust. Then they provide optimization over large space state, and unlike traditional artificial intelligence, they do not break on slight change in input or presence of noise. There are some advantages of genetic algorithms. First advantage is it is faster and more efficient as compared to the traditional methods. It provides a list of good solutions and not just a single solution. It always gets an answer to the problem which gets better over the time. And other advantages are does not require any derivative information which may not be available for many real world problems. And it is useful when the search space is very large and there are a large number of parameters involved. Some areas where the genetic algorithms are used. First one is optimization. Genetic algorithms are most commonly used in optimization problem, wherein we have to maximize or minimize a given objective function value under a given set of constraints. The approach to solve optimization problems has been highlighted throughout the tutorial. Then neural network. Genetic algorithms are also used to train neural networks, particularly recurrent neural networks. Then scheduling application. Genetic algorithms are used to solve various scheduling problems as well, particularly the timetabling problem. Then robot trajectory generation. Genetic algorithms have been used to plan the path which a robot arm takes by moving from one point to another. Now we see fuzzy system. Fuzzy system was developed in 1965 by Professor Lotfi Zadeh at University of California. The first application was to perform computer data processing based on natural values. Fuzzy systems are used for knowledge representation via fuzzy means if-then rules. Fuzzy system is an extension of classical set theory where elements have degrees of membership. Fuzzy logic is a method of reasoning that resembles human reasoning. Fuzzy logic algorithms helps to solve a problem after considering all available data. Then it takes the best possible decision for the given the input. The fuzzy logic method imitates the way of decision making in a human which consider all the possibilities between digital values true and false. Why fuzzy logic is used? Fuzzy logic is useful for commercial and practical purposes. It can control machines and consumer purposes. It may not give accurate reasoning but acceptable reasoning. Fuzzy logic helps to deal with the uncertainty in engineering. Advantages of fuzzy systems. A fuzzy logic system is flexible and allow modification in the rules. Even imprecise, distorted and error input information is also accepted by the system. The system can be easily constructed since these systems involve human reasoning and decision making. They are useful in providing solutions to complex solutions in different types of application. Fuzzy algorithms are often robust in the sense that they are not very sensitive to changing environments and erroneous or forgotten rules. Some areas where the fuzzy systems are used. First one is automotive. In automotive, fuzzy logic is used in following areas: trainable fuzzy systems for idle speed control, traffic control, improving efficiency of automatic transmission, shift scheduling method for automatic transmission. Then business. In business, their decision making support system and personal evaluation in a large company where the fuzzy logic is used. In defense, fuzzy logic is used in following areas: underwater target recognition, naval decision support aids, control of hypervelocity interceptor, fuzzy set modeling of NATO decision making. Then electronics. In electronics field, fuzzy logic is used in the following areas: control of automatic exposures in video cameras, humidity in a clean room, air conditioning systems, washing machine timing, microwave ovens, vacuum cleaners. In medical field, fuzzy logic is used in following areas: medical diagnostic support system, multivariable control of anesthesia, control of arterial pressure during anesthesia, modeling of neuropathological findings in Alzheimer's patients, radiology diagnosis, fuzzy inference diagnosis of diabetes and prostate cancers. In psychology, fuzzy logic is used in following areas: fuzzy logic based on analysis of human behavior, criminal investigation and prevention based on fuzzy logic reasoning. We see our third chapter, that is applications of soft computing. There are some areas where soft computing is used. First one is bioinformatics. Soft computing techniques in bioinformatics. The techniques of soft computing helps in modifying an uncertainty and indifference that biometrics data may have. Soft computing is a technique that provides distinct low-cost solution with the help of algorithms, databases, fuzzy sets, and artificial neural networks. These techniques are best suited to give quality results in an efficient way. Soft computing and decision support system. Soft computing gives an advantage of reducing the cost of decision support system. The techniques are used to design, maintain and maximize the value of decision process. The first application of fuzzy logic is to create a decision system that can predict any sort of risk. The second application is using fuzzy information that selects the areas which need replacement. Then image processing and data compression using soft computing. Image analysis is one of the most important parts of the medical field. It is high level processing technique which includes recognition and bifurcation of patterns. Using soft computing solves the problem of computational complexity and efficiency in the classification. Techniques of soft computing include genetic algorithms, genetic programming, classifier system, evolution strategies, artificial life and a few others which are used here. These algorithms gives the fastest solutions to pattern recognition. These help in analyzing the medical images obtained from microscopes as well as examine the X-rays. Next one is handwritten script recognition using soft computing. Handwritten script recognition is one of the demanding parts of computer science. It can translate multilingual documents and sort the various scripts accordingly. It uses the concept of block level technique where the system recognizes the particular script from a number of script documents given. It uses a discrete cosine transform and discrete wavelet transforms together, which classify the scripts according to their features. Then, use of soft computing in automotive systems and manufacturing. The use of soft computing has solved a major misconceptions that the automobile industry is slow to adapt. Fuzzy logic is a technique used in vehicles to build classic control methods. It takes the example of human behavior which is described in the forms of rule if-then statements. The logic controller then converts the sensor inputs into fuzzy variables that are then defined according to these rules. Fuzzy logic techniques are used in engine control, automatic transmission and anti-skid steering, etc. In this lecture, we will discuss about some introductory part of neural networks, genetic algorithms and fuzzy system. In next lecture, we will see the brief introduction about neural network, genetic algorithm and fuzzy system. Thank you. We will stop here.